Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best hoverboard charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for any hoverboard owner, ensuring your ride is always ready for adventure and that you're never left stranded with a dead battery. This crucial piece of equipment not only keeps your hoverboard powered up but also plays a vital role in maintaining the overall health and longevity of your device's battery system, making it a non-negotiable purchase for consistent and reliable performance. Number 5. EVAPLUS 42V2A Fast Charger for 36V Lithium Batteries. Introducing the EVAPLUS Fast Charger, designed to power up your 36V lithium batteries quickly and efficiently. It's the perfect replacement for your old charger. This charger offers universal compatibility, seamlessly fitting 36V lithium batteries used in popular models like Pocket Mod and Sports Mod, as well as many other electric scooters. Never worry about the right connector again. This charger comes with 3 different types of connectors to ensure it fits your specific scooter. Your safety is our priority. It features 4 protection designs: short circuit protection, battery polarity error protection, overcurrent protection, and overvoltage protection. Rest assured with SGS certification, guaranteeing a high-quality and reliable charging experience. It's rated at 42V and 2A for optimal performance. Please note that this charger is specifically designed for 36V lithium batteries and is not compatible with 24V, 25.2V, 29.4V, 63V, or lead-acid batteries. If you encounter any issues with your charger, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are committed to providing excellent after-sales support and ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This charger offers 3 distinct connector types, making it incredibly versatile for various 36V lithium battery devices. Its SGS certification ensures safety and quality. If you have a collection of different electric scooters or devices with varying charging ports, this is the ideal choice for consolidating your charging needs. What people say. Works great and fits my 3-prong electric skateboard. It's a good replacement for the Blizzard Hurricane electric skateboard. Easy and versatile to use. I really appreciate the 3 separate connectors on the Y adapter that come with the cable. It's much less of a hassle when you only have one main cable to deal with. This charger is awesome for anyone with more than one e-bike or scooter. It works perfectly for charging my scooter and gets the job done efficiently. Definitely a useful and dependable plug to have. Number 4. 42V2A Universal Fast Charger. Introducing our universal charger, designed to power up your 36V Li-ion battery devices. It's the perfect replacement for your original charger, ensuring your devices stay powered up. Experience fast charging with its 42V2A output. This charger is compatible with a wide range of brands, making it a versatile choice for your electric scooter or bike. Never worry about compatibility again. It comes with 7 different connectors, including various DC plugs and specialized connectors, ensuring a perfect fit for your device. Charge with confidence thanks to built-in overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and temperature protections. It's designed to keep both your device and the charger safe. The intuitive LED indicator shows red while charging and turns green when fully charged. It automatically maintains the battery, so you don't have to guess when it's ready. Constructed with high-quality materials, this charger is built to last. Its durable design ensures it can withstand regular use without easily getting damaged. What we like. With an impressive 7 different connectors, this charger provides unparalleled compatibility across a wide range of 36V lithium battery devices. The clear indicator light lets you know the charging status at a glance. If you're looking for a single charger that can handle almost any 36V electric scooter or device you might encounter, this is the one for you. What people say. Comes with 7 adapter plugs in different sizes. Measure your battery port before selecting. I used digital calipers to confirm 5.5mm outer 2.1mm inner diameter matched plug number 3. This is for 36V systems, charges to 42V max. Red LED indicates charging, green LED means full complete. Charger outputs 2A current, takes 3 to 4 hours for a 10Ah battery from 20% to full. Unit stays cool during charging, measured 95 degrees Fahrenheit max on case. Works with 36V lithium batteries for e-bikes, scooters, hoverboards, and power tools. The 42V output is standard for 10S lithium packs, 10 cells in series. Safety features observed: auto shutoff when battery reaches 42V, prevents overcharging, short circuit protection, runs cool even after 4-hour charge cycle. Number 3. 3-in-1 replacement charger for electric scooters. Introducing our versatile 3-in-1 replacement charger, designed to power up your electric scooter. It's compatible with a wide range of popular brands. This charger is compatible with leading brands like Jetson, Razor, Swagtron, Bird, Gotrax, and Segway. Ensure your device uses a 42V 36V output. It comes equipped with 3 universal connectors, 5.5mm * 2.5mm, 8mm, 3-prong, and 12mm, 3-prong. Please verify your device's connector size before purchase. Monitor your charging status with ease. The LED indicator shows red while charging and turns green when your device is fully powered. Your device's safety is paramount. This charger includes built-in protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuits, and overheating. It features an input of 100-240V 50-60 Hz and an output of 42V 2A. Please note, this is not compatible with 24V, 25.2V, or 29.4V versions. What we like. This charger is specifically designed with 3 common claw connectors, ensuring a secure fit for many popular brands. It features a clear dual-color indicator light for easy status monitoring. If you own a Jetson, Razor, Swagtron, or Gotrax device and want a reliable, straightforward replacement charger, this option is a great fit. What people say. The charger works perfectly and is efficient. The lights are a nice touch to know once it's fully charged, and the fact that it shuts off to not overheat is great for the kids. Charging speed is reasonable and it was a perfect fit for our needs. Hoverboard. It fits and works perfectly. It also has so many other outlets, so I'll never have to buy a different one again. It charges pretty quickly and the cords are thicker for a less chance of wire exposure. Muy bien carga muy rápido. Number 2. 42V2A Universal Electric Scooter Charger. Introducing a versatile 42V2A charger designed to power your electric ride. It's compatible with a wide range of 36V lithium battery devices, ensuring you get back on the road quickly. This charger is universally compatible with many popular brands, including Jetson, Gotrax, Segway 9bot, and Razor. It's the perfect replacement for your lost or damaged charger. Featuring a clear indicator light, it shows red while charging and turns green when fully charged. Enjoy fast charging with automatic battery maintenance for optimal performance. Equipped with multiple protection features, including overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and temperature protection, it ensures a safe and reliable charging experience every time. Comes with 4 universal plugs to fit various electric scooters and bikes. This ensures a secure and proper connection for efficient power delivery. Constructed with high-quality, durable materials, this charger is built for longevity. It's designed to withstand regular use without easy damage, providing a dependable power source. What we like. This charger comes with 4 universal plugs, offering broad compatibility with many 36V lithium battery electric equipment. It's designed for fast charging and is versatile enough to work with chargers rated at lower amperage. If you need a reliable charger for your Jetson, Gotrax, Highboy, or Segway 9bot, and want the flexibility to use it even if your original charger was a lower amp model, this is a solid choice. What people say. The EVAPLUS 42V2A electric scooter charger is a versatile and efficient option for those needing a replacement or spare charger for their electric scooters and e-bikes. With its 4-plug design, it is compatible with a wide range of brands including Jetson, Razor, Bird, Gotrax, 9bot, Highboy, and Sysigad, among others. The charger delivers a reliable 42V output and 2A current, ensuring a steady and safe charge for your scooter's battery. Number 1. 42V2A Fast Battery Charger with Cooling System. This charger is designed to work with a wide range of 36V lithium batteries. It features a universal 4-in-1 design with multiple plug types to ensure broad compatibility. Experience smart and fast charging with its 42V2A output, perfect for your 36V Li-ion battery packs. The indicator light clearly shows when charging is complete and it automatically maintains the battery. Your safety is paramount. This charger is equipped with multiple protection features, including overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, and temperature protection. It features an integrated cooling system to ensure optimal performance and longevity during the charging process. This is a trustworthy and reliable replacement charger. We offer great service and are available 24/7 to assist with any issues you may encounter. What we like. Featuring a built-in cooling system, this charger is designed for optimal performance and longevity, even during extended charging sessions. It includes 5 different plugs for wide compatibility and offers smart charging with an indicator light. If you prioritize a charger that stays cool and offers advanced safety features for your 36V lithium battery devices, this is an excellent option. What people say. The best part is the green light indicator that lets me know when it's done charging, no more guessing or overcharging worries. It fits perfectly with my Hovermax, but what's even better is that I can use it for 2 other hoverboards we own. The wiring seems to be of a good quality as well as the connections between the adapters and the main charger body. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.